Aloha. I thought I would give an update on my C8 Bread Rack since I basically had to drill out all the rivets to change the spacing between the bread racks. I have everything cut and bent to size. I took 2x4s because their true size is 1.5 by 3.5, and I screwed two together. That'll give you my 3-inch clearance on both sides. I decided to cut down the front of my first tier bread rack to match the bottom of the hatch rubber seal. I found some aluminum from an old bread cabinet, and as you can see here, it's got kind of a funky shape. Anyway, I originally got this 1/4-inch piece of angled steel, and my first thought was to pound it down with a hammer. That turned out to be challenging. Okay, my most important tool really is my bench vise and my Workmate 425. Those are invaluable. Then over here I have my foldable compound miter saw that I use to cut the aluminum. I have my 7-inch electric variable grinder buffer that comes in really handy. I have 2 DeWalt impact drivers. Then we'll go with the pneumatic tools. I have a pneumatic die grinder. These are the little sanding discs that go inside of it. I have a cutoff tool. I have a mini reciprocating saw. I have my manual rivet, my pop rivet tool, and my new pneumatic one. And then I have my 20-volt reciprocating saw and a couple of my hammers. And then you have your vice grips, your measuring equipment, safety glasses, and this is all the scrap aluminum that I'll save for another project. Anyway, that's the update before I put this thing all back together. Aloha and stay safe.